This is an SMS alert system for hospitals, wherein we can save upon time when an emergency case comes to a hospital. The sensor here measures the heartbeat rate and it displays on the LCD here. If the rate of heartbeat exceeds or is less than the normal parameter, then through this SIM300 modem and this speaker system, the automatic voice alert is generated and you receive an SMS. Now let me demonstrate. If we put the sensor on a finger, then we see that the LEDs start glowing and they start to measure the rate of pulse. Now, in order to ensure that this heartbeat does not come normal, I just tamper with it and the first reading is exceeded than the normal range of the heartbeat. If 3 continuous mismatches appear, then the results are bound to be shown, right? We see in the second case also the heart rate is 144, right? Then the third heartbeat measurement session, now we see the speaker itself sounded an alarm, and thereafter this SIM300 sent a message on this phone. Now if we read this message, it says rush to bed number 1, it is an emergency, and it tells the rate of BP. So this is a emergency system, alarm system for hospitals.